of the sky.
Want to help me kill Jesus? Anybody want to help me kill Jesus? Want to help me kill Jesus?
Bro, we're all gonna get lost. So let's do
Want to help me kill Jesus? Anybody want to help me kill Jesus? Want to help me kill Jesus? Want to help me kill Jesus? Anybody want to help me kill Jesus? Want to help me kill Jesus? Read a letter, lots of time before the fireworks. Want to help me kill Jesus? Anybody want to help me kill Jesus? Yeah.
Thank you.
Anybody else?
Thank you.
It's I'm just advertising my websites.
Okay. Okay, well that's very offensive.
Yeah.
Well, it's almost like a hate speech, isn't it?
No.
Okay.
No, it's not. It's a love. It's actually love concern.
How so?
Because Jesus is not true.
Okay, well, that's great.
Well, that's your opinion.
That's your opinion. It's fine.
Well, that's true. It is my opinion.
Yeah.
So
Well, like, I was just saying-
because love is true.
No, like, you don't understand what I'm trying to say. Because most people are going to find that offensive. It's more going to be a safety concern for you on your end. It kind of sounds offensive. That's what I'm trying to say.
I've been doing this for years, and there's no threat at all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we've been flagged down by many people saying you're saying something.
You're inciting
worse.
hatred.
Yeah, you're inciting hatred.
So you what?
We've been flagged down by a few people saying that's why we came back.
You're lying.
Sorry? No,
Well,
the
they
reason
might
why
find
we-
it offensive. So what? Oh. What's the point?
Yeah, but do you have to do this campaign today, right now? Like, do you have to do it here? Or?
This is why I'm doing it. Is because, well, two reasons. The Supreme Court has overruled Roe versus Wade, and a few
That's
other
America,
things.
though.
That's America.
It's got nothing to do with us.
That's true.
Yeah.
And then the Pope is visiting Canada this week.
What's wrong with that?
What's wrong with that?
Yeah.
A lot.
Oh.
Because he's coming as an authority, and
To make the reconciliation.
he's authority of
make peace.
a silly.
Trying to make peace
it's
and
not.
reconciliation.
He's not. He's not really doing
But
a good
he's not-
job.
look, okay, but
I
you
know if
just-
you, depending on which news you watch.
Sir, but you just said you're doing it because you. Why are you doing this? What did you say?
Why am I doing
Yeah.
this? To get rid of the belief that Jesus is a God.
But that's your opinion, though, right? And somebody else can do that as well.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. Yeah.
But this is.
So it's called free speech.
Yeah, but this is kind of way that's labeled to kill. Some people.
Yeah, but he's
find
not.
it really
You
offensive.
can't kill somebody that's already dead.
Yeah, but
And
like,
it is, supposed to be a
I'm not
son
here
of
to,
a God.
I'm not here to argue with you what's going on with Jesus or not. That's not the position for me to do. I'm just trying to tell you that we've been notified by some citizens that they find it really offensive of what's written on your piece of paper.
Hey man, so at the
Okay.
end of the day, you're right. Like you have right to free speech and you're allowed to do whatever you're doing. But
Thank
we're
you.
also here to warn you because
Yeah.
we have gotten
Okay.
complaints, right?
I am hereby
I mean,
warned.
I mean, if people want to like pick verbal arguments, like it escalates, right? Like it's at your risk. I mean,
Okay.
we're gonna come and intervene, right? Make peace. But
Okay.
like that's what you're putting at yourself.
But
at
that's what
risk
I say.
for.
We're more worried because if people are saying all this to us, we're worried more about your safety
Yeah.
as well at this point. That's why
Okay,
we're
as soon as as soon as I see any kind of a
Yeah.
threat besides you guys,
Well,
because you're the
we
biggest threat
want-
so far, I will call 911 on my cell phone.
Yeah. Okay.
And-
Okay, that's fine.
So
Okay.
yeah, just out of fairness, right? There are like Christian people who come and do like the anti-gay thing or whatever, like especially in the beach. We give the exact same warning, right?
I do this in America
Yep.
too, you know,
Okay.
where there are guns.
Okay.
Okay, again, like we're just like putting that out there for yourself, is for your safety
Okay,
as well, right?
I got it.
Okay.
We're
I'm
just here
gonna
to have a
carry.
conversation with you. That's all.
That's it. That's
I'm
all.
gonna
we're
carry
talking
on.
about, Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anybody want to help me kill Jesus?
What are you handing out, sir?
My websites to kill Jesus.
Oh,
Literature to kill Jesus. You take one, read it later. You got lots of
I
time.
believe I'm my own God, and this is my own.
All right.
A God of my world.
All right.
I don't believe in organized religion.
Anybody want to help me kill Jesus?
No.
Take it home.
Oh, you don't like Jesus?
Not at all.
Yeah, fuck Jesus. I'll fucking kill him. I'll kill him. Give me another one. We're gonna kill Jesus. Fuck Jesus.
Yeah. Hand some to those police officers up there. Anybody want to help me kill Jesus? 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 Want to help me kill Jesus?